What's the difference between probation and parole? Are they even comparable? Well, yes. Probation and parole are similar in that they are both types of community supervision. What differs is when they happen. Typically, probation is what happens in lieu of going to confinement, either jail or prison. So a judge may sentence you to a period of confinement, either X amount of years in prison or X amount of days or months in jail, and say, in lieu of that, I'm going to probate that sentence and place you on community supervision for a period of a year, 2 years, 10 years. And as long as you do all of the things that you are asked to do on that community supervision, I won't sentence you to jail. Now, parole, on the other hand, typically happens after you've been sentenced to confinement. Sometimes it can be jail. Most of the time, it's going to be prison. So you'll be sentenced to prison for a period of, say, 5 years. After being in prison for 3 years, you may get paroled and released onto community supervision for the remaining 2 years of your sentence. During those remaining 2 years, you're on a type of community supervision where you have rules that you have to follow. Should you fail to follow those rules, your parole can be revoked and you can be sent right back to confinement or prison. So community supervision before you go to jail or in lieu of going to jail is typically what we call probation. Community supervision after you've been released from jail or prison is typically what we call parole.